Hey guys, Richard here. So in this review I want to talk to you about Echo, but this is going to be a slightly different review as I'm only going to be talking to you about the sales page and not inside the software, although I will tell you what it's all about. Now the reason I'm doing that is that these guys have managed to schedule a update at the same time as a product launch, so that when you actually try and access this is my access details here. If I go and log in here, absolutely nothing happens, and this is just launched, and you've got people no doubt actually promoting this to you right now on YouTube. So guys, you need to understand that these guys do not care about your user experience at all. It's all a money making method to try and get you to join Shawn's Perpetual 365 product. But just to warn you, if you are one of my subscribers and you try and purchase this right now, you're not going to get any kind of access. Apparently there's going to be a scheduled upgrade between the 17th of September 10 a.m. Eastern, which is actually the time that they're launching. So this is a very, very strange way to start launching products. So when I come back to the sales page, guys, this is the usual weird one-click software delivers tsunami of free buyer traffic. Let me explain what this is. They are advocating that you go ahead and take anybody's video from YouTube and then put it on a page. On that page, you can add other links to other products like Perpetual 365, and then you can share that page. Now the software will make that page for you by the looks of it. I've seen the demo, but the problem is the video isn't yours and you're actually copyrighting somebody else's video to actually try and make money. Not only that, they're asking you to share to social media. Social media is only a good place to get traffic if you've got an existing audience. Just because a video on YouTube has a lot of traffic, it doesn't mean that once you go ahead and paste it onto a different page that video will have a lot of traffic. It's getting a lot of traffic because it's connected to a channel on YouTube where people are actually searching for that particular video on YouTube, not on your page. So nothing's going to happen there, and that won't actually work. So all of this is the usual nonsense, guys, but something that does really kind of grate me at the moment with these guys is they're using these type of testimonials. Now the new trend is to have testimonials from these types of pictures, and whenever you see any of these types of pictures, they are now generated by an AI. There's actually a software online and a website you can go to and just grab people's pictures. How do I know that? When you come to their previous launch, which is freebiecash.com, and you can go ahead and look at Kelly here. Kelly Thomas was a real big fan of Freebie Cash. You come back to Echo, she's now called Maria J and she's making money with this. Same with John F. If I just go back and tell you about John F on this previous product, John F has changed his name from Robert Borthwick Dand, and he's obviously making a lot of money with this, and he's making money with this. And to top this off, guys, is if I'm going to labor this point enough, have a look at this guy, Tobias Gordon, or 622.29 with Echo on JVZoo, is making a fortune with this. Absolutely brilliant. But when I go ahead and do a reverse lookup on this, which you can do in 2 seconds whenever you look at these sales pages, this is a AI generated image and it's all over the place. Look at all these other websites that this person turns up on. So guys, I would not trust these guys. They're lying blatantly to you on the sales page. The methods they use have no regard for anybody else's hard work. When people put videos on YouTube, they don't expect other people to come along and steal them to make money. You can share them because you like those people, but these are just a blatant way that they're trying to get you to steal other people's videos and make money off them, which if you're one of my subscribers, guys, I would advise you not to do this. So guys, that's my very brief review of Echo. I am going to do another review of this once the actual software comes live, so I can go ahead and check that right now for you. I'll come back and I'll make sure that this still isn't live. And there you go. This is half an hour after it's launched and it's still not live. I will come back and add to this review at a later date once this software becomes live. But I hope you find this of some value and you can avoid actually spending any kind of money on these types of products. While I'm here, guys, I might as well give you the OTOs just so that you're aware of them. Echo membership, which is the front end, is $17 down to $13. The OTO one of it, Echo, There's the unlimited campaign, which is $47 to $37. OTO 2 is the done for you campaigns, $297 to $197. OTO 3 is a high ticket maximizer, $97 to $47. OTO 4 is the traffic booster, $167 to $67. And OTO 5 is a reseller license, $297 down to $97. And OTO 6 is a passive income masterclass, $47 down to $27. How sad if you were to buy a reseller license and realize just by do one click you would actually save $200. So guys, you could be in for $1,000 here of additional OTOs on something where I'm afraid I would find no value of it or whatsoever. So a slightly unusual review for me, guys. This is really just aimed at my subscribers, just so that you're aware of these types of products and you don't go ahead and decide to purchase them. My name is Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you haven't been over to the channel before, don't forget to hit that subscribe and notification bell, and I'll let you know whenever I produce new videos. And guys, if you're serious and you want to build a business online using affiliate marketing, go ahead and check out the link in the description below over to the School of Nomads, and I'll take you through the whole process completely for free, step by step. Until next time, guys, take care.